Hello, hi everyone. So today we are making a videos on nature of management. So in the last video we were discussed regarding the management is a science. So that is the reason, dear students, today we are going to see the management as a profession. So because of that, I am standing before the camera along with my camera technician, my best friend Viresh. Let us discuss, dear students, management as a profession. Management as a profession. In the earlier videos, dear students, we were discussed management as an art. So then management as a science. Today it is management as a profession. So before going to know about this as a management as a profession, we should know about what exactly the profession. What is a profession? Profession. Dear students, the term profession is a part of commercial terms. So profession, it is also the systematic, well-defined systematic body of knowledge acquired by professional persons. Like doctors, lawyers, and you can say the accountants, through the reading of professional books, journals, magazines, or you can say the periodicals. The profession, the term of profession is also a systematic. It is a systematic body of knowledge. Like in the earlier class we were discussed. So management is a science. As a science, science is also a systematic body of knowledge. Here, the term profession is also a systematic body of knowledge. So acquired by professional persons, acquired by professional persons. Professional persons means, so you can say lawyers, doctors, or accountants. These are all the professional persons, etc. These professional persons acquired the knowledge through the reading of books, magazines, journals, or you can say and other periodicals. So this is something about the profession. So let us discuss features of profession. Features of profession. Features of profession. Okay, dear students, let us discuss the first feature of profession. Well-defined body of knowledge. As we seen in the definition. So the profession is a well-defined body of knowledge. So while discussing the features of profession, so we can see this one is the first feature, that is this one. The profession is a well-defined body of knowledge. Okay, dear students, all professions are whether it is a whether he is a doctor, lawyer, teacher or accountants. So based on well-defined body of knowledge that an individual acquires from various institutes. So they acquire this all from the various institutes. This one reading books or through instructions of experts. So they can acquire the knowledge from the various institutions by reading books, magazines, or you can say journals, or you can say the periodicals, etc. They can grab their knowledge, they can acquire their knowledge through these different so various institutions, reading books, journals, magazines, periodicals, some other digital medias. They can grab their knowledge. So that is the reason the profession is a well-defined body of knowledge. Okay, dear students, so this is next feature, that is restricted entry. So being so whenever he wishes to enter into the profession, so there is something restricted entry is there. So restricted entry in the sense examinations held by the universities or any other educational institutions. So some other whatever it may be. So restricted entry, like I can say the entry to a profession is restricted through an examination or through acquiring on examinations or acquiring on a. Okay, dear students, let us remove this point. So I'll write few something information regarding a restricted entry. This is second feature of a profession, that is so restricted entry. Okay, dear students, look here. So the brief information regarding this one, the second feature, that is restricted entry. The entry to a profession is restricted through an examination or through acquiring an educational degree. It means if a person wants to enter into any kind of profession, then he or she needs to clear some entrance exam or entrance examination, then only they can become a professional person. Professional persons. Okay, dear students. So as I said, to become a professional person, so it's something there is a restriction is there. Restricted entry is there. So the entry to a profession is restricted through an examination or through, this one is important, through an examination or through acquiring an educational degree. So to get the, or you can say to become a professional, there should be a minimum educational degree. So that is also one kind of restrictions. So it means if a person wants to enter into any kind of profession, then he or she needs to clear some entrance examinations. So then only they can become a professional persons. So dear students, to become a doctor, they need to complete the doctor, MBBS or MD. To become a lawyer, dear students, a minimum educational qualification, that is LLB. So to become a professional accountant, so he needs to complete chartered accountant examinations. So then only they can enter into that profession. So this is about the restricted entry. Dear students, let us see the third feature of a profession. Okay, dear students, let us see the third feature of profession, that is a professional association. So, as you all know, every profession is affiliated with an association or institute which provides the professional degree and practical trainings For example, dear students, in India, ICAI is the association under which all chartered accountants are need to get membership from time to time. So by observing this point, that is third feature of a profession, that is professional association. Dear students, every profession is affiliated with an association or institution. Yeah? Yes, exactly. Every profession in the sense doctor or lawyer or chartered accountants, any other profession holders. So many other professions are affiliated with an association or institutions, like so lawyers, bar councils, so like that. Some other associations or institutions which provides the profession degree or practical trainings. So the practical, it is very important to become the professionals. That is the reason they provide, means association or institutes provide practical training to the professional or newly qualified professionals. For example, dear students, as I have written over here, in India, ICAI, Indian Chartered Accountants of India, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, is the association under which all chartered accountants are need to get membership from time to time. So minimum period for the membership. So we need to that those membership, those professional need to maintain the membership from time to time. So okay, let us see, that is fourth feature. Okay, dear students, the fourth feature, that is ethical code of conduct. Ethical code of conduct. Look here, this is the fourth feature. Every profession has some ethical code of conduct, has some ethical code of conduct which needs to be followed by every professional. Followed by every professional. This ethical code of conduct, this ethical code of conduct helps in guiding the behavior of professionals. For example, dear students, look here, all doctors take the oath of following ethical practice, at the time they enter the profession. They enter the profession. So, dear students, this is very important feature. So, about this one, the profession, the term of profession. So, look here, ethical code of conduct means so some rules to be followed in an particular field. So, look here, dear students, every profession has some ethical code of conduct which needs to be followed by every professionals. So, every professions means, as you see already, doctors, lawyers, so accountants, or you can say some teachers. So, they need to follow some ethical code of conduct. This ethical code of conduct help in guiding the behavior of professionals. Guiding the behavior of professional is very important. We as a profession, dear students, so this ethical code of conduct controls the behavior of professionals. So for example, here I have written, all the doctors take the oath of following ethical practice at the time they enter the profession. So one kind for their patients, so they are the board, so that is the reason they need to work ethically, or they need to provide doctoral services to the patients. So this is one kind of the professional feature, that is ethical code of conduct. Dear students, let us see last feature. Okay, dear students, let us see the last feature, that is fifth one. So service motive. Service motive. So the term service is also very important while providing professional services. So dear students, service motive, one of the basic motive of any professional is to provide the needed service to their clients or customers. So doctors or lawyers, they need to provide useful service or useful justice to their clients. So, or even chartered accountants. So, teachers or lecturers, so these are also the professional holders. They need to provide useful knowledge to their students. While providing a professional, they need to concentrate towards the service motive. As I said earlier, so one of the basic motive of any profession is to provide the needed service to their client or customer, dear students. So with this, I would like to conclude all the features of professions. So let us discuss in the next video, that is comparison of profession and the term management in the next videos. So thank you very much. See you on next video.